India and other parts of the world.
Yeah.
How about you?
Oh, I'm a full-time daddy. Yeah.
Full time? Oh, you have babies?
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
Yeah.
Six.
Six.
Only one is enough.
One kid.
One is
6
enough.
babies?
No.
6 years old.
Whoa!
6 years old. One baby
One
is
kid,
enough.
one kid, yeah.
Okay. I'm here in beautiful Deep Cove, a little place in North Vancouver. You can see the beautiful water, all of the possibilities of enjoying something by the sea here in North Vancouver. Baden-Powell hike. You just saw the sign where you can begin a 42-kilometer hike, something I'm not planning to do, at least today. There are smaller portions of the trails that you can take and enjoy along the way, but if you're hardy, you can go the entire 42-kilometer hike up and down and then get the t-shirt. Maybe one exists, or maybe you're going to be the person that puts that t-shirt together. So here in Deep Cove, a beautiful place in 111 places not to miss to see here in Vancouver area. And as an aside, the two authors of the book have recommended something else besides all of this beautiful nature. The authors of 111 places not to miss in Vancouver, to make sure you stop and see, here at the Baden-Powell Trail, beginning in Deep Cove, have suggested, recommended that no trip here is complete without a stop at Honey's Donuts. So let's go see if they've got one available. How you doing?
Good.
Where are you from?
China.
China. Welcome to my YouTube.
Oh, you're a YouTuber.
Ni hao.
Oh,
you know
that's
ni hao,
cool.
okay.
Xie xie.
Okay.
What's your channel?
My channel is Advisor Danny.
Advisor Danny. Let me
Yeah.
subscribe it.
Thank you. Xie xie. I've spent some wonderful time in China.
Really?
Also?
Great
How
great
long?
people. Government, maybe.
Yeah.
Like this country and many countries. But some are good.
Some place you have been in China?
Oh yeah, Ningbo.
Ningbo Rail. That's cool.
Lots of time in Beijing, lots of time Shanghai,
Yeah, we're from Shanghai.
Tianjin.
Like the
Landmark.
Come on over here and we'll make a thumbnail together. And then you'll see yourself. You know what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Come on beside me and we'll get the cove behind us here. Come on in here. There we go.
Hello.
What's your name?
Oh, I'm Johnny. Hi.
Johnny.
I'm Cassie.
Okay, and I'm Danny.
Yeah.
Hi.
Advisor Danny. Did you find me on YouTube?
Not yet.
Oh, yeah.
Can you?
Can I tell you, because I have to put my other glasses on? A-D-V-S-O-R
ADVSOR
ADVSOR
and then
G.
D-A-N-N-Y.
endorsement?
Should come up. Advisor Danny.
Advisor DANNY.
Yeah, there's me. So I'm doing right now an art series on the east side. In fact, this weekend, if you're free, you can go to a free event. It's the Culture Crawl.
Advisor Danny.
You can go around and see many art studios in East Vancouver.
Yeah.
Culture Crawl, it's called.
This weekend.
Yeah, 17, 18, 19. I just did art videos of artist conversations. Now I'm doing a new series,
Yeah.
111
Yeah.
places to
Yeah.
see in Vancouver.
Oh,
It's a book.
that's cool.
It's
That's
a
cool.
book.
That's cool.
So I want to, now I'm on
It's
number
very-
10.
Yeah, I have a great honor in your video. Yeah.
It's really nice to meet you. Johnny and
Yes,
Kathy?
Yeah, we just
Yes.
moved to North Vancouver 2 months ago.
Yeah.
I'm an international student, so
Oh, where do you study?
University Canada West. In downtown.
MBA then?
Yeah, exactly.
I have many friends there that I've met doing YouTubes
Yeah.
because they come from India and other parts of the
yeah,
world.
yeah, yeah,
Uh-huh.
How about you?
Oh, I'm a full-time daddy.
Full time? Oh, you have babies.
yeah. Of course.
Oh,
Yeah.
6.
6 years.
Only one
Only
is enough.
One kid.
One is
6
enough.
babies?
No, no,
6
no, no.
years old.
Whoa!
One baby
One
is
kid,
enough.
one kid, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
okay.
please connect all my social media, Advisor
right.
Danny, Instagram, everything.
All
Oh,
right.
And
Instagram.
I love
Yeah.
having friends, and if I can ever help
Yes.
you with a question, anything, you
So
just
you're-
Wonderful people. Thank you, Johnny and Cassie, for being part of this video and for talking with me for a while. They moved here not long ago from China, and they're studying at MBA, and he is a stay-at-home dad with their 6-year-old child. And I was just telling them off camera that their child has great parents. I got to hear their thoughts on life, and wonderful, wonderful, wonderful 2 people. Thank you for watching and for sharing in my day today. Look at this beauty. Look at it. Can you see it all? Wow. Creation. Nature. Canadian flag. Now, we've got to do one more thing before we leave this beautiful part of the world for our next spot, and let's go see if we can find that Honey's Donuts.
Nothing seems to go well. Everyone has a day like that. Don't need to worry, It's okay to slow down and take a little break. Tomorrow will be a new day, so just rest up today. You'll be stronger, 'cause you're storing up your energy today. Lay yourself down on a grassy hill and look up the blue sky. The sky is your canvas, draw anything with the white clouds. Nothing seems to go well. Everyone has a day like that. Don't need to worry. It's okay to slow down and take a little break. Tomorrow will be a new day, so just rest up today. You'll be stronger, 'cause you're storing up your energy today.
Isn't it a beautiful, incredible area? I'm looking forward to coming back. Deep Cove. You can get the Baden-Powell hike, and you can experience honey donuts, and I imagine there's lots more you can do. All kinds of water sports. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.